In this episode of Sailing Copycat, we meet
Stand the man.
and have a Kava ceremony, get to meet the inspirational Timo and Joe from Sailing NV, and find ourselves some new comfortable mattresses for the boat.
That's the first step for them. The first you're gonna take this side. It's a green and white one.
Okay.
That one goes to the next town. It will go through VCC village where you're gonna get up there.
Okay.
Like you in town, you're here for 3 weeks. You're gonna have some good food and stuff in town. You go straight down to Nadi Club,
Yep.
where you pay not more than $6 or $7 for beautiful curry or anything you want.
Right.
Same thing in the tourist restaurants, about 20, 35 rupees.
Okay.
So the bus depot is there.
Yes.
You're gonna go to this place here for lunch. Show you.
So now we're getting the lowdown on a good place for lunch. And a cheap place too.
How's the Fiji beer? Good beer.
Yeah, good. Fiji Gold.
But we in the village, we don't drink alcohol, we drink Kava.
Yep.
How's the Kava? Good?
Haven't tried it yet.
When did you arrive in Fiji?
A week ago.
They say no Kava, no Fiji. That means you're still in the plane.
Yeah. Yeah, we haven't arrived yet.
There you go. We don't do betting, but Melbourne Cup Day is a big day here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's when the ladies, there was a cat, the fancy
Yep,
cat.
everyone gets all dressed up. Yeah.
That side is all doctors and medical centers. You don't
Okay.
need them.
Nah.
Four of these two. Nandi Club.
Nadi Club.
Yeah.
Hello.
This is Nandi Club. If you're hungry in town, you can have some good, beautiful food, good price, local price. You come straight here.
Yep. Oh wow.
It's all very, very special.
Yeah.
But this is called Nandi Club,
Yeah.
and a point with the local information. What you had?
I think he knows you too well. Yeah.
Good price,
Yeah.
and they have one of the best food.
Yep. Looked good, smelled good too.
Oh, what you had again?
Best tour guide in town.
So you still play rugby your days? Rugby boy?
No.
Oh, we Fijians, we sleep, we drink, we eat, it's all rugby.
Yep.
Yeah. You know what Fiji stands for, eh?
What's that?
FIJI for the ladies and the children is fun in Jungle Island. For the rugby F1, J1, they say fuck one, jump one. That's when we meet the Kiwis, K1W, and they say kick one, wet one. So what's your plan for 3 weeks? Staying on the...
We've got a boat in the marina, so we're doing a bit of work on the boat.
Oh, you have a yacht?
Yeah.
Have you heard of Shady Lady
No.
from Amsterdam?
Okay.
Yeah. They've been to our village too.
Yep. Making souvenirs.
For that, you'll be sitting here. You'll be here.
And so, what's your name?
Stand the man.
Stan the Man.
You guys want it?
And a Kava ceremony. And Dad's the chief.
Of course. Yeah. Dan's always been the chief.
Yes. Always.
So how many of you on the boat?
Just us two.
On chief and assistant chief?
Yes.
He owns it. He should be the chief.
Well, don't tell that to everyone. Fiji, in the village, we have a lot of children.
Yeah.
You know why? Eh?
No TVs.
No. No electricity, no TV.
No TV.
So have Kava and that's what you say. Fuck one, jump one.
Yep.
So, Chief Colin and Assistant Chief. This is a small Kava ceremony on behalf of the village people, just to welcome you to Fiji and to local Fijian shop, and to show you some respect about our family and our culture. First of all, Binaka, Waka, Lebu. Binaka, Waka, Lebu is thank you very much.
Vinaka,
Waka,
Lebu.
For choosing Fiji as a holiday place, and Binaka, Waka, Lebu comes with the local shop. Hope you all the best. Remaining days in Fiji, 3 weeks, enjoy yourself, enjoy the island, people, nature, and hope you all the best. And the Almighty God will bless you too. Have a safe trip wherever you go, and hope to see again one day in the future. We say Sota Tale in Fiji. Sota Tale.
Sota Tale.
So I will say a few words in Fiji to open the ceremony, then we all gonna clap 3 times.
Yep.
Let's do now one of the 3 clap. Don't forget that rugby and football is Kava. One clap. Pull up.
Good. All of them.
There you go. Down the hedge. Clap 3. Binaka. Now your plane is just landed. Now you can say been there, done there. One clap. Pull up.
Pull up.
Three.
Vinaka.
Welcome to Fiji.
Thank you.
Sa tagibaboto na muna makaturana. If you come to Fijian village, you're clapping all night. Hey, there's a big market in Australia, New Zealand, America. They have Kava capsules. Full of cheap and during the cheap, have a beautiful time in Fiji. So how's the Kava, Chief? Something different, eh?
Yes.
Better than I thought it would be.
Oh. So that was just a small ceremony. Beautiful time in Fiji. Hope you all the best. I will say a few words again to close the ceremony. We clap 3 times for a little bit more respect. Welcome to Fiji.
You stand. Thank you.
Kava is on the house. We don't sell our culture and tradition.
So we were watching the Sailing NV YouTube channel, and Timo went into town and got some mattresses for his boat, and I've been trying to find a place that I can get mattresses from, and I'm not having a lot of luck. So we're thinking that we're just going to wander on over to his boat where he's working at the moment and see if we can get some information. And that's it, with the big orange shark nose. Looks pretty cool.
Hello.
Our job, YouTube and record.
That's actually why we came over.
We've been watching yours.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Timo.
Matt,
Colin.
Nice to meet you.
Remo, my father.
how you going?
Colin.
Colin. Colin and
Hello.
Matt.
Matt and Colin, Joe, Timo and Remo.
Yep.
The other part of the family is to the shopping. Yeah, we are in rush for launch.
Yep.
And yeah, every second, but it's very interesting to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Why
well,
you follow our channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sailing up to
Oh.
Fiji?
Just found a catamaran, the Optimist, was for sale in Fiji, and so I started Google searching Fiji to work out where I could haul it out and
Yeah.
everything, and then your channel popped up. And
Good.
so I started at the beginning and watched all the way
Aw,
through.
thank you.
Matt, you have a catamaran? What kind
No,
of
he's
catamaran?
looking at one.
No,
No,
you
we bought it.
I
You
bought
bought
it
it?
on
Cool.
last Friday.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's a 49-foot Lex line.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah. The reason I came over though is on one of your episodes you went into town to a mattress shop.
Yeah.
Whereabouts was that?
Where is it?
Okay,
Yeah.
you could.
Yeah.
It's a popular furniture. You can Google it. Popular
Popular furniture.
furniture.
Okay.
You have a 3 shop of popular furniture in the same road.
Yep.
This is in the industrial area of Lautoka.
Okay.
And you already know Lautoka a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, you know the market,
Yep.
the vegetable market.
Yep.
That is the center of the town. When you go forward in the direction to Ba, immediately after the market, there is one area, is the industrial area.
Yep.
Right.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah, I wish to have a time to drink one beer with you guys, Colin.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you.
we're going to be around another couple of weeks. Then I'm back to Australia and New Zealand for a week, and then back for 2 months. So we'll be around.
You know me, I be the shipyard operation manager for 7 years here in Fiji, in Vuda
Yep.
Marina. In any question, I'm very happy to help all sailors
Great.
around
Thank
Fiji,
you.
okay?
Much appreciated.
Thank you.
We
Ciao.
just watched the last episode. Of
Yeah, at the moment we don't public too much because you see, we have to go in the water in 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah, we don't.
We're,
Yeah.
we're going back in tomorrow. So.
Okay, ciao, Colin.
Nice to meet you.
Good luck.
Do you mind if we use video on
Please
YouTube?
post also to us if you can.
Yep.
Yep.
We like to have material.
Yeah, if you'd be happy to link our channel, that would
Sure.
be great.
Yes.
Definitely.
We haven't started one yet, but we're going to.
Thank you.
Thanks. We found some mattresses. The ones on the boat are extremely old. And so I wanted to see if we can find something that's not old and comfortable. This one looks nice.
It'll be comfy.
That's where we're going to come back for mattresses. Just so I don't forget which store it is.
We have Indian street food.
Okay.
Yeah, like pure vegetarian.
What's in those ones?
Kachori mung dal filling, roasted mung dal.
Yeah.
That's all. 10 bucks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
What do you reckon?
Tastes pretty good.
Pretty good?
Indian. Dal.
So I also got a vegetarian samosa. That's tasty. We're back out wandering the streets of Nadi. We're all fueled up and ready to go explore some more. We're in the supermarket trying to find some food, and I've just found the coffee section, and by we, I mean me. Dad's just gone to find a bathroom somewhere, so I don't know how far he had to go for that. But plenty to choose from. We found Dad, he's back, and now we're gonna pick out a hot chocolate for a drink at night once the air conditioner gets turned on. What do you reckon, Dad?
Nice and hot chocolate.
Yep. Let's try that.
Thank you, sir.
Dad's going to roll that, dude. The good stuff. Well, quick battery change, and we're in a taxi heading to get some fruit after running over a dog. So I was wondering what we were going to do. We said we wanted to go to the market, and he's just pulled off the road just past the airport heading back, and there's a farmer's market. Looks pretty nice in here. Hello.
$7 big. A big one, eh?
Some money out. Oh, you're doing it. Sure. All right. Got a bag. Thank you. Can I come? Yeah, I think so. Thank you. Got the beer. Now time to drink it. Hello. Home sweet home. In the next episode of Sailing Copycat, we finally get the boat back in the water after completing all the work to the hulls. We get into cleaning mode and take a tour of Lautoka.